supplies for like...
Oh, Bella, you don't know what you're in for. Honey, you just don't know, do you? I hope the garage door Oh, Bella.
Hey, Bella. Sorry. Your toiletry place is not...
He's trying to... Why is he doing that right now? Oh, Bella, are we going out there? Let's just go on the sidewalk. You don't know the difference. You won't know the difference between the sidewalk and the grass.
I think she may find the car.
Are you ready? Come on, Bella. Let's go.
Oh, Bella. Oh. Is she peeing?
No.
Wait. She's stopping. Is she eating? Oh.
She's following the path.
She is following the path. I can tell she's sniffing for a place to go.
I'm sorry, Bella.
Oh, poor little puppy.
No.
Oh, that's cold, isn't it?
Going back out in it? Oh, if she gets under the car, she might go. Come here, Bella.